Meta might have soft-launched a new app called Pocket that's aimed at getting people to vibe code their own minigames. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Mobile developer and reverse engineer Alessandro Paluzzi spotted Pocket and posted about it to X. The reporting platform AppFigure says that the app has been available on both iOS and Android since June 29. Though the app is listed publicly, it's not available in the US on any of the phone models associated with Google accounts. And a help page on Meta's site says the Pocket app is not yet available everywhere. The company hasn't made any public announcement yet about the launch or where the app is being tested either. From cosmetic tweets to a standalone app for AI slop, Meta's been going gangbusters on getting artificial intelligence into every service in the past year. Sources suggest that Pocket may be the result of the company wholesale hiring the team behind of Gizmo, an app that used AI to create interactive experiences based on prompts for users earlier this year. Pocket uses that exact same nomenclature, dubbing itself a creative platform for making and sharing gizmos in the app listing, and the Play Store short code of com.facebook.gizmo does add a little certainty to the notion as well. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.